Hi everyone and welcome for this video. This is a unplanned video because actually Patrick was supposed to sit next to me, but as he has to work today I will do this video alone. So let's make Patrick here. We wanted to make this video for 4 days now and all the time something came in between. So yeah, this is me sitting alone here and making the video for you. Basically, this is just a thank you video for the past year. It was great. Thank you so much for everyone who watched my videos, who left me some sweet comments, and all the chatting that we had in between really means a lot to me. It has been pretty silent on my channel the last weeks. This was caused by the fact that we did decide to not make that much art in December, just to calm down a bit, unwind a bit. It was a pretty hectic and stressful year, so we took this month basically off. I only did the commissions that I still had to do for Christmas, and I just did a couple of things for YouTube, and all the commissions that I did I could not put here on YouTube, so you won't see them. So I was pretty busy though, but not so much for the YouTube part of my out life. But anyways, we do have some plans for the coming year, what you can expect on my channel and what you can see here. Basically, I decided to transition a bit more towards the realism, drawing and painting a bit. I did so much acrylic pouring the last 1.5 years and the resin works that I think it would be a good step on improving artworks when it comes to painting and drawing. So everyone who is interested in this as well and want to improve on it, I'm going to make some more complex artworks, some simple as well. Making videos a bit longer and going step by step through the process how I paint and draw something, so that you can probably follow along a bit better than these better versions with a quick voiceover in general. So something that you can learn on the way as well. We are not disregarding the acrylic pouring and the resin works. I still will make some resin works. Patrick is going to make the acrylic pouring, most of it, so we outsourced it to him and he is pretty excited to do this. He is making a, I think, introduction video in January or so sometime. This is his part in the future. Most of them won't be narrated, so he probably won't make a voiceover, but perhaps we will see him in a couple of videos. We will see. But therefore, as he still is kind of new to the entire topic, he would be glad if you can send him some requests, so color choices, pouring requests and something like that, so that he basically has the starting point where he can start off and kick off the entire project. And so he will be part of this channel as well. When it comes to drawing, painting, of course, I already have a couple of projects planned, which I will take you along with me. And if you have something that you want to see in particular, what you want to learn, perhaps technique-wise or drawing, painting, whatever-wise, let me know in the comments as well. So that's basically it for this little video. The rest of the day will be filled with pretty unsexy stuff, like doing laundry and making food for tonight and cleaning the flat. Seb needs to get new water as well, so I will make some turtle sitting as well. And this is basically everything for today's video. Again, thank you so much for being part of my channel and my art journey, and I'm really happy for every nice sweet little comment that you sent me here or on Instagram, wherever. I really enjoy reading all of them. What else can I say? I wish you a good start for the next year. I hope you had some lovely Christmas days with your loved ones. And let's make 2020 a good year for all of us. So all my best wishes to every one of you. Have a great evening with your family, friends, loved ones. Celebrate a bit and we will see you next year. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.